News and rumors.
News and rumors, we got a fun show for you here local in town. Labyrinth fans, yeah, the Jim Henson movie Labyrinth in concert is at the Factory. This is right around the corner, just in time. Wednesday night, April 16th. Listen up. The Labyrinth in concert live at the Factory. Since the film's theatrical release on June 27th, 1986, Jim Henson's Labyrinth's loyal and steadfast cult following has grown over the decades. Audiences are invited to experience an epic evening as a live band performs in sync with the movie, featuring David Bowie's original vocals and playing the songs and the score from the soundtrack composed by Bowie and Trevor Jones. Experience this one-night show Wednesday, April 16th at the Factory at the District in Chesterfield, Missouri. Doors open at 6:30. Show starts at 7:30. All ages are welcome. Tickets available at Ticketmaster as well as thefactorystl.com and labyrinthinconcert.com. You can follow Labyrinth in Concert, Henson Company, and Labyrinth Movie Official, as well as the Factory STL on Instagram. Costumes are highly encouraged, but please, no weapons or laser pointers. Get over to the Factory and see the show. You could see Scotty Scoop there. I think Chef Liz here in town is going from Tenacious Eats. This is it. The Labyrinth in Concert live at the Factory, April 16th. Get your tickets now at Ticketmaster.